Imagine you've just sold your old phone, or maybe you've received a cash gift. You're excited to invest it, but you're not sure how. Can you simply deposit cash into your StashAway account? Well, the short answer is not directly. StashAway, like many other digital investment platforms, primarily operates through digital transactions. This means you'll typically need to transfer funds electronically. Why the digital-only approach? This might seem a bit restrictive, but there are solid reasons behind it. Security: digital transactions are generally more secure. They reduce the risk of physical theft and potential errors in manual processing. Efficiency: digital transfers are swift. Once the funds are transferred, they can be immediately invested, maximizing your potential returns. Regulatory compliance: digital transactions are easier to track and report, ensuring compliance with financial regulations. So, how can you fund your StashAway account? Here are the common methods. Bank transfer: this is the most straightforward way. You can initiate a bank transfer from your traditional bank account to your StashAway account. Debit or credit card: many platforms, including StashAway, allow you to fund your account using a debit or credit card. However, be mindful of potential fees. Mobile money: in regions where mobile money is popular, you can often transfer funds from your mobile wallet to your StashAway account. A quick tip: to streamline the process, ensure you have your bank details or card information ready. Also, double-check the beneficiary details to avoid delays. Additional considerations: while StashAway doesn't accept direct cash deposits, it's worth noting that the platform is continuously evolving. It's always a good idea to check their official website or app for the latest updates and any potential changes to their funding methods. So, while you can't directly deposit cash into your StashAway account, there are several convenient digital methods to fund your investments. By understanding these methods, you can ensure a smooth and efficient investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.